Good morning. Northbridge Community Centre. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am calling about the evening English courses. I saw a notice online, but I need some more information.
Of course. Are you interested in general English or exam preparation?
Exam preparation, please. I want to prepare for IELTS.
We have an IELTS foundation class on Monday and Wednesday evenings. The class starts at 6:15 and finishes at 7:45.
That sounds possible. When does the next course begin?
The next course begins on the 3rd of June. It runs for 8 weeks.
Okay. And where is the class held?
It is in room 14, on the first floor of the community centre.
Is the teacher a native English speaker?
The teacher is bilingual, but she has taught IELTS for more than 10 years. Her name is Sarah Collins.
Could you spell the surname, please?
Yes. It is Collins.
Thank you. How many students are usually in the class?
We keep the group small. The maximum number is 12 students.
Good. I think smaller classes are better. How much is the course?
The full course is £180. That includes printed worksheets, but it does not include the official IELTS test fee.
Can I pay weekly?
You can pay in 2 parts. The first payment is £90 before the course starts, and the second payment is £90 in week 4.
That is fine. Do I need to bring anything on the first day?
Yes. Please bring a notebook, a pen, and a pair of headphones for listening practice.
Headphones. Okay. Is there any homework?
Yes, but it is not too heavy. Students usually do about 20 minutes of homework after each class.
That is okay. I work during the day, so I cannot do too much.
I understand. May I take your details to reserve a place?
Yes, please.
What is your full name?
My name is Ahmed Khan.
Could you spell your family name?
Yes. Khan.
Thank you. And your phone number?
It is 07749 218 603.
Let me repeat that. 07749 218 603.
Yes, that is correct.
Finally, what is your email address?
It is ahmed.khan26@mail.com.
Thank you. I have reserved one place for you. Please arrive 10 minutes early on the first day.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Registering for a library membership?
Good afternoon. Central City Library. How can I help?
Good afternoon. I would like to join the library, but I am not sure what information you need.
That is fine. I can register you over the phone. First, are you a student or a working professional?
I am a student. I am studying computer science at North College.
Thank you. Students can get a free membership for 1 year. After that, you can renew it online.
Great. What can I borrow with the membership?
You can borrow up to 6 books and 2 DVDs at the same time.
How long can I keep the books?
Books are issued for 21 days. DVDs are issued for 7 days.
Okay. Are there any late fees?
Yes. For books, the late fee is 30 pence per day. For DVDs, it is £1 per day.
I see. What time does the library close on weekdays?
From Monday to Friday, we close at 8:30 in the evening. On Saturday, we close at 5.
Is the library open on Sunday?
No, it is closed on Sundays.
Understood. Do you have a quiet study area?
Yes. The quiet study area is on the 2nd floor, next to the reference section.
Do I need to book a desk?
Usually, no. But for the computer room, you should book in advance.
How many computers are available?
We have 18 computers in the computer room.
Okay. Can I register now?
Yes. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Omar Siddiqui.
Could you spell your surname?
Yes. Siddiqui.
Thank you. And your date of birth?
The 12th of November, 2001.
Thank you. What is your phone number?
It is 07932 604 118.
Let me check that. 07932 604 118.
Yes, that is right.
Finally, what is your email address?
It is omar.study@mail.com.
Thank you. Your membership number is L4729.
L4729. Thank you.
You are welcome. You can collect your library card tomorrow after 2 o'clock.
Great. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Booking a doctor's appointment.
Good morning. Green Park Medical Center. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to book an appointment with a doctor, please.
Of course. Is this your first appointment at our center?
Yes, it is. I moved to this area last month.
No problem. I need to take a few details first. What is your full name?
My name is Bilal Ahmed.
Could you spell your surname, please?
Yes. Ahmed.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
The 9th of April, 1998.
Thank you. And what is your address?
It is flat 6, 24, River Street.
Is that River Street, near the railway station?
Yes, that is right.
Can I have your phone number?
Yes. It is 07854 216 339.
Let me repeat that. 07854 216 339.
Yes, correct.
Thank you. What is the reason for the appointment?
I have had a sore throat and a cough for 3 days.
Do you have a high temperature?
No, not really. I just feel tired.
Okay. We have an appointment tomorrow morning at 10:20.
Tomorrow at 10:20 is fine.
The appointment will be with Dr. Helen Carter.
Could you spell the doctor's surname, please?
Yes. Carter.
Thank you. Do I need to bring anything?
Please bring photo identification and a list of any medicines you take.
I am not taking any medicine at the moment.
That is fine. Please arrive 10 minutes early to complete a short registration form.
Okay. So I should arrive at 10:10.
Yes, exactly. The medical center is on the ground floor. Use entrance B.
Entrance B, got it.
Your temporary patient number is P7421.
P7421. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Booking a hotel room.
Good evening. Lakeside Hotel. How may I help you?
Good evening. I would like to book a room for next weekend, please.
Certainly. What day would you like to arrive?
I would like to arrive on Friday the 14th of July.
And how many nights would you like to stay?
2 nights, please. Friday and Saturday.
That is fine. We have single rooms and double rooms available.
I need a double room.
Would you prefer a standard double room or a room with a lake view?
How much is the Lakeview room?
The standard double room is £95 per night. The Lakeview room is £120 per night.
I will take the Lakeview room.
Very good. Breakfast is included in the price.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7:30 to 10 o'clock in the morning.
Good. Is parking available?
Yes. Parking is free for hotel guests, but you need to give us your car registration number when you arrive.
That is fine.
May I take your name, please?
My name is Hassan Malik.
Could you spell your surname?
Yes. Malik.
Thank you. And can I have your phone number?
It is 07716 502 884.
Let me repeat that. 07716 502 884.
Yes, that is correct.
What is your email address?
It is hassan.malik@mail.com.
Thank you. Your booking reference is H3962.
H3962. Okay.
Check-in starts at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Check-out is before 11 in the morning.
Can I check in earlier?
Early check-in is sometimes possible, but it depends on room availability.
Understood.
Your booking is confirmed for a Lakeview double room for 2 nights.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Joining a fitness center.
Good afternoon. Riverside Fitness Center. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I am interested in joining the fitness center, but I would like some information first.
Of course. Are you looking for a full membership or only gym access?
I think full membership, but I am not sure what it includes.
Full membership includes the gym, swimming pool, sauna, and all group classes.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
The full membership is £48 per month. Gym-only membership is £32 per month.
I will take the full membership.
Good choice. There is also a joining fee of £20, but this month it is reduced to £10.
Okay. What time does the centre open?
From Monday to Friday, we open at 6:30 in the morning and close at 10 in the evening.
What about weekends?
On Saturday and Sunday, we open at 8 and close at 6.
Are there beginner classes?
Yes. The beginner fitness class is on Tuesday evenings at 7:15.
Good. Do I need to book that class?
Yes, please book at least one day in advance because the class is popular.
Fine. Can I register now?
Yes. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Samer Ali.
Could you spell your surname?
Yes. Ali.
Thank you. And your date of birth?
The 23rd of May, 1997.
Thank you. Can I have your phone number?
It is 07582 for 60225.
Let me repeat that. 07582 460 225.
Yes, that is correct.
What is your email address?
It is samer.ali@mail.com.
Thank you. Your membership reference is F8154.
F8154. Okay.
Please bring photo identification when you come for your first visit.
I will. When can I start using the gym?
You can start tomorrow after 10 o'clock in the morning.
Perfect. Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.